What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we're talking about CashWay. And pretty much what I found out is that CashWay has lower cash out amounts than CashDay, and so we're going to check that out, and I'm also going to show you a payout as well. And I'm also going to show some tips and tricks in the video as well. So let's jump into today's video. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. Everybody, welcome back to another new.
Hi, Gavin.
So for today's video, I cashed out again using CashWay, and I was looking at the payout amounts, and I noticed that CashWay had lower payout amounts than CashDay, and so I've just been using CashWay on and off for a while now. Ever since the last videos, and I've been getting cash through CashWay. CashWay has been pretty easy, simple, and fast. Every time I hit cash out, it's pretty much there in my bank account as soon as it happens. I've never had any issues cashing out. I have had issues with like games registering how much time I've played. However, that only happens once in a while, so it's not too big of an issue where it just makes me not want to use the app. So I've earned quite a bit using this app with just playing games, and even if you let your phone sit with the game on and say you have to go and do something somewhere, come back and it's ready to go, already earned for you. So let's jump in to look at the cash out amounts, and I'm gonna compare CashWay to CashDay, and we're gonna see if CashWay is actually cheaper to cash out on than CashDay. So let's jump in and see which one is cheapest. Alright, so we are on CashWay. So for 1 penny you need 100 coins. For 5 pennies you need 450. 20 cents, 1,750. 50 cents, 4,200. $1, 8,000. $2, 16,000. $3, 24,000. $5, 40,000. $10, 80,000. So with that being said, I already have another cash out. I could cash out $2 if I wanted to. Might as well. Let's go ahead and send the $2 over. And it's paid out. And the other cash out that I wanted to show everybody is this one right here. That one came through on the 3rd. Or no, not the 3rd. The 31st. So I've made quite a bit of money. It's not a whole lot of money, but it's a decent amount of money. Now let's go and check CashDay. Alright, we are on CashDay. So for 2 cents you need 600, 10 cents 2,500, 50 cents 12,000, $1 20,000, $2 37,000, $3 54,000, $5 85,000, $7 115,000, $10 160,000. So with that being said, we can really see that CashWay is way cheaper to cash out than CashDay. Look at that. And this is what my CashDay looks like. Bunch of low payouts because it's just so hard to get, you know, the minimum. Go ahead and cash out 10 cents with a little bonus. You see how it says pending? I like CashWay better because when you click it, it's boom, it's done. It's already sent the money. Look, you gotta wait on the 10 cents. And the weird thing is that it's the same company that owns this app. So now that you guys have seen both apps, I compared both CashWay and CashDay, and you guys can see that CashWay has a low payout amount compared to CashDay, and that's why I've been using CashWay. So some tips and tricks with CashWay that everybody can do is you don't really have to play the game. You could just download the game, launch it through the CashWay app, and then leave it sit. Say you have to go somewhere or something and do something, or you have to do dishes or laundry or something and you can't play at that moment, just leave your phone on and leave the game on and leave it sit, and then when you come back, exit the game and go back to the home page of CashDay, and your points should load up. If not, you need to exit out of the app, CashWay app, and then bring the app back up, and then you should get your points. But with that being said, if you find this video helpful for CashWay, please drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That way you guys can see new videos when they come out. You can be notified about new videos when they come out. That being said, thank you for watching my video for today, and I will see all of you in the next new earning video. Peace. Alright, so this is after the fact that I filmed and recorded this video, but I forgot to share the cash out video with you guys. So in this part, I'm gonna put right here, this is me cashing out. I believe it's like $5. So this is me cashing out $5 with CashWay. And so basically what I explained in this video, you don't even have to play the games. You can just leave the game sit and come back later and then check the app, and then you got coins. So it's that easy to start earning and cashing out. And when you cash out, it's pretty much instant when you get the money. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next new video. Peace.